Ever wondered how to truly master your dropshipping game on Spocket, ensuring every product you offer is a winner, every package arrives perfectly, and every customer gets exactly what they expect? It all boils down to one crucial, often overlooked step: placing a test order. Now, you might be thinking, why bother with a test order? Isn't dropshipping all about hands-off fulfillment? And you'd be right to a certain extent. The beauty of dropshipping is the freedom it offers from inventory management and shipping logistics. However, that very freedom can sometimes be a double-edged sword. When you're not physically handling the products, it's easy to lose touch with the customer experience. You're relying entirely on your supplier, and while Spocket vets its suppliers, there's no substitute for experiencing the process firsthand. Imagine this. A customer places an order for a beautiful, handcrafted necklace from your store. They're excited, anticipating its arrival. A week later, it shows up in a flimsy, unbranded poly mailer, crushed and tangled. Or worse, it's the wrong color, or it takes 3 weeks to arrive when your store promised 7 to 10 business days. How do you think that customer will feel? They'll be disappointed, frustrated, and you'll likely lose them forever. This isn't just about one sale. It's about your brand's reputation, your customer retention, and ultimately, your long-term success. This is precisely where the test order comes in. It's your secret weapon, your quality control check, your opportunity to walk in your customer's shoes before they ever do. By placing a test order, you get to experience the entire journey, from the moment you click buy on your own store to the unboxing of the product at your doorstep. It allows you to verify the product quality, assess the packaging, evaluate shipping times, and confirm the overall professionalism of your supplier. It's an investment, yes, but an investment that pays dividends in customer satisfaction and brand loyalty. So, how exactly do you go about placing a test order on Spocket? Let's break it down step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is treat this like a real customer order. That means navigating to your own online store, the one your customers see. Don't go through the Spocket dashboard directly for this. You want the full, authentic experience. Browse your products, select the item you want to test, and add it to your cart. If you have different variants, sizes, colors, materials, consider testing the one you anticipate being most popular, or one that might have specific quality concerns. Once you've added the item to your cart, proceed to checkout just like any other customer would. This is where you'll get to test your checkout flow. Is it smooth? Are there any confusing steps? Do all your shipping options and payment gateways work correctly? Pay attention to every detail, from the readability of your form fields to the clarity of your shipping policy. Now, for the crucial part, the shipping address. You'll want to use your own address or a trusted friend's or family member's address, where you can easily receive the package. The goal here is to literally receive the product yourself. When it comes to payment, you have a couple of options. You can use your business credit card or whatever payment method you typically use for your store. However, a clever trick to save a little bit of money and ensure a true test is to set up a discount code specifically for your test orders. You can create a 100% discount code that applies only to your account, allowing you to essentially get the product for free, or at least at a significantly reduced cost while still going through the entire checkout process. Remember to delete or deactivate this discount code once your test order is complete to avoid any unintended customer usage. After you've successfully placed the order on your store, the next step is to head over to your Spocket dashboard. Your test order will appear there, just like any other customer order. This is where you'll initiate the fulfillment process with your chosen Spocket supplier. Click on the order, confirm the details, and then proceed to place the order with the supplier. This mirrors the exact process you'll follow for every genuine customer order, allowing you to identify any potential hiccups in the communication or synchronization between your store and Spocket. Now comes the waiting game. This is perhaps the most critical part of the test order process. You'll be keenly observing the shipping time. Does it match the estimated delivery window you've promised on your store? Are there any tracking updates? Does the tracking information provided by the supplier work correctly, and is it easy to understand? Keep a log of these details. If you're promising 7 to 14-day delivery and your test order takes 20 days, you've got a problem. This might mean adjusting your shipping expectations on your store, or more importantly, finding a more reliable supplier. Once the package arrives, it's unboxing time. This is your moment to be the ultimate quality control inspector. First impressions matter. How is the outer packaging? Is it sturdy enough to protect the product during transit? Is it branded, or is it generic? While Spocket primarily works with unbranded shipping, some suppliers might offer custom branding options, which you can inquire about. Now, for the product itself, carefully inspect it for any defects, damages, or discrepancies from the product description and images on Spocket and your store. Is the color accurate? Is the material what you expected? Does it feel high quality? If it's a clothing item, how does it fit? If it's an electronic device, does it power on and function correctly? Take photos and videos of everything, the packaging, the product from all angles, any imperfections you find. These will be invaluable if you need to communicate with the supplier about issues. Beyond just the product, pay attention to any inserts or marketing materials. Are there any unexpected flyers or promotions from the supplier that might confuse your customers? Ideally, you want a clean, professional unboxing experience that reinforces your brand, not your suppliers. Finally, think about the entire customer journey. What was your experience from start to finish? Was communication clear? Were you kept informed about the order status? If there were any issues, how easy would it have been to contact customer support? This holistic perspective is what will truly elevate your dropshipping business. If you encounter any issues, a damaged product, delayed shipping, incorrect item, this is your opportunity to address them before a real customer experiences them. Contact the supplier through Spocket's messaging system. Document everything. Their responsiveness and willingness to resolve issues will be a huge indicator of their reliability as a long-term partner. This is a critical step in building strong supplier relationships. You might even consider placing test orders with multiple suppliers for the same product if you have options, to compare their quality and service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.